Bass pedal, Aguilar Tone Hammer, 2024, compressor, chord tuner. Pedal power from Shopee, custom pedal board. Plugs are in. 18 volts. In here, everything is powered. Main event. The tone hammer. This speaker, I want this to be here. This is my mini amplifier. Now, it's a Singapore plug. This thing in here. This is my complete setup. It's the next day already. Tuner, chord tuner, Boss CS3, Aguilar Tone Hammer. I'm planning to see if I can upgrade to a Cali 76 compressor. This is my bass rig setup for 2024 and my mini speaker.